Click on the link below to get price. The Santa Fe UltraMD33 Dehumidifier is a powerful solution for those struggling with excess humidity in their homes or commercial spaces. Designed for high efficiency, this unit is particularly effective in basements and crawl spaces where moisture can lead to mold growth and structural damage. One of the standout features of the UltraMD33 is its impressive moisture removal capacity. It can extract up to 33 pints of water per day, making it an ideal choice for resilient and humid environments. The continuous drainage option is a significant convenience, allowing for uninterrupted operation without the hassle of regularly emptying the water tank. Users can simply connect a hose and let the unit do its job without manual intervention. The design of the UltraMD33 is both functional and user-friendly. Weighing in at a manageable size, it comes with built-in handles and wheels, making it easy to relocate as needed. The intuitive control panel features an easy-to-read display, allowing users to set their desired humidity levels with precision. Additionally, the unit operates quietly, ensuring it won't disturb daily activities or relaxation time. Another major advantage is its energy efficiency. With a low energy consumption rate, the UltraMD33 helps to keep electricity bills in check, making it a cost-effective solution for long-term use. Plus, the durable construction ensures that this dehumidifier can withstand the rigors of continuous use. While most users rave about its performance, a few have noted that the initial setup may require some time to understand all the features fully. However, once configured, the Santa Fe UltraMD33 provides reliable, constant humidity control, making it a worthy investment for anyone dealing with dampness. Overall, the Santa Fe UltraMD33 Dehumidifier stands out for its robust performance, user-friendly design, and energy efficiency. If you're in the market for a dehumidifier that can handle tough conditions while being easy to maintain, the UltraMD33 is undoubtedly worth considering.